We're looking for enhanced screening measures at airports, ports, land crossings. We're looking for mandatory 14-day self-isolation period. We're looking to ensure that the Canadians have heard the message to practice social distancing. We're really looking on the government to take a stronger leadership role in this. And then ultimately we're looking for a seat at the table. We want to make sure that I think there's certain things that we've seen in our community that if raised at the table, they would be helpful for all Canadians. And that's essentially what we're asking the government to do today, is to allow us to do that. As you saw, as I saw, as Canadians saw, the images from Pearson Airport, where this government's encouraging social distancing, this government's encouraging the kiosks are asking questions, but at the end of the day, this is Canadians are concerned. We're concerned that there's a lot of measures that aren't taking place. So if you look at the shutting down the borders to the countries and the affected regions of the high risk areas, that's certainly a step, a reasonable measure that this government could take. We've been calling for a seat at the table for the last 6 weeks. To be honest with you, this is something that's, again, isn't a partisan issue. It's a Canadian issue, and we want to make sure that Canadians see that their government's working not just internally but also with all members of the opposition. In Western Canada, we're only represented by the opposition party, and we want to make sure that our constituents also having a voice in terms of what's happening with this really extraordinary time.